Good morning. I say it's morning. It's not morning at all. It's quite a long way into the evening for any of us on UK time. Ed here, CES 2018. I'm here again. And I'm kicking off at Tech West. Now, I've taken some still photos, some of those will appear on Navy forums and so on and so forth, but Phil and Steve have asked me to take one of these shiny new cameras and just have a wander around and look at things and be generally rude about them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stroll around Tech West and we'll see what is there for our edification. So, off we go. Now, as you might imagine, there are lots and lots of drones at the show, and they come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Some of them are being flown around the cave, they're being flown in formation. There is something here at Tech West though that, even by the jaundiced standards of looking at drones, I think you guys need to see, and it's not one of the ones on this table, even though these parrot ones are very lovely. Do you want to see what I'm talking about? Alright, wait a second, have a look at this. Now that, my friends, is a drone. This is a Yamaha autonomous crop sprayer, and those of us with a passing interest in the Terminator universe will know that no good can possibly come from this, because this one is our friend. It's spraying pesticides. I think it's fair to say that it wouldn't take a huge amount of effort for it to be spraying something altogether more unpleasant. But that's not the scariest thing they've got here. Wait a second. That's right, it's the thing that chased Christian Bale around in one of the less successful Terminator films. Okay, it's a bit slower at the moment, and if you look down the side, it's got stabilisers, but yeah, it doesn't take a huge leap of imagination, does it? Further autonomous terror can be found with this. This is a completely normal Yamaha R1, in as much as you could ever call an R1. But this chap S object is an autonomous track riding device. It can be told where to go on a track. It can't just be let loose on the roads. If you look, it doesn't have LiDAR or pulse Doppler or any means of judging what it's doing. But nonetheless, it can be set off round tracks, and it goes like the blazes. So further proof that yeah, we're going to be a mountain of human skulls before too long. Now, obviously, it's fair to say that some things never change, and I'm delighted to say that there is just as strong a business in sitting in a massage chair as there was last year. There's at least 3 separate zones indeed in the South Hall, and yes, they seem to be quite well staffed. There's vibrating boards and all the rest of it as well, and if I see any of them I'll be sure to capture it, but yes, CES once again capturing the reclining side of things. Joining the list of things that I probably don't actually need, but would quite like, is this. It's got over 90 games, most of which are tremendously frustrating to play, but you know, nonetheless get you feeling all nostalgic. And yeah, I'll add that to the list of things that I'd buy if I suddenly became insanely wealthy. No, I'm not going to lie, part of me is tempted to try all of the different massage chairs and see if the strong boast from the Inada people that they make the world's best is the case. I can't actually say for sure that the people in the Inada chairs look any more spaced out than the ones in any of the others. They seem to be enjoying themselves. In case you were wondering how the magic happens, here it is. It's Phil. He's usually hiding behind the camera. He's dying today, but he's holding it together. And Withers has got his war face on. At some stage later on, I'm going to have to show you the photo of Withers on Withers' badge, because he looks like a right smug git. But yeah, all good. Obviously, these are all the magnificent televisions that he's about to talk to you about. No doubt tell you something amazing, and my eyes will glaze over. So all good.